Hi, Cancer. Sun, Moon, or Rising. If you'd like a reading, 313-401-3707. And to keep me on the channel, you must subscribe. Cross watchers, you're welcome. I love when you guys watch, but you got to do more than watch. You have to like, share, and subscribe to keep me on, and leave a comment below. If you'd like a reading, 313-401-3707. A half an hour is 50, and 1 hour is 120, and 2 hours is 240. And it goes on and on and on. Okay? So let's see what's going on for Cancer. I do not do reversals in these, Cancer. Cancer, 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 Cancer. Cancer, Cancer, Cancer. Cancer. One fell out. Cancer, 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 Cancer. Whoa. So we're just going to leave those at the top. So let's see what's here. So you're with someone where the religious factors are different. It could be affecting your relationship at this time. Different nationality. Cancer, you need to let go of your control issues, baby. You're too controlling. And then Cancer, you're talking to two people. So either you're in a three-way love affair, or you're talking to two people here. You're stringing two women on, two men on. Then you deserve love. So Cancer, you're either with another Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And then you want to free yourself. You want to take back your life. Some of you have been a playboy for too long. Some of you have been a playgirl for too long. If you're single, it's okay. But if you got someone in your life, that's not too cool. Your soulmate. So your soulmate, you want to set yourself free, but you got your soulmate here. And it's an earth sign or a water sign, or it could be both, with these two women or two men. You're very controlling, and whoever you're dealing with has a different spiritual background, like yourself, or your different nationalities. You got to love yourself. You're not loving yourself enough, Cancer. You're flirting all over the place. You're flirting all over the place. Now, you feel this one person is the one, but you got some red flags within your